Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open Tally on your computer. First, find the Tally icon, which usually looks like a green T on your desktop. If it's not there, check your Start menu under Tally Prime or Tally ERP9. Once you locate it, simply double-click the icon. The software will then begin to load, which might take a few seconds depending on your system's speed. This initial step is crucial for accessing your accounting data. After Tally loads, you'll see the gateway of Tally. Here, you have two main options. If you have an existing company, select Select Company from the menu. A list of available companies will appear. Choose the one you need. If you're starting fresh, pick Create Company to set up a new business entity. This step ensures you're working with the correct financial records, whether old or new. Tally is primarily keyboard-driven, making navigation very fast once you get the hang of it. The Escape key is your best friend for moving back through menus or exiting screens. You'll also use various function keys. For example, pressing F2 allows you to change the current date for entries. Familiarizing yourself with these shortcuts will significantly speed up your accounting tasks and improve your overall efficiency. Sometimes, Tally might not open as expected. First, verify that the software installation isn't corrupted. A reinstallation might be necessary. Also, ensure your computer has enough system resources, like at least 4 GB of RAM, for smooth operation. If Tally freezes or doesn't respond, a simple computer restart often resolves temporary glitches. These quick checks can help you get back to your work without much delay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.